go. Fun day. It's a playtime and colorful fun with water and colors. And it's time for new exploration and discoveries. A time that helps kids unplug from screens. Watch the video till the end for some cool and creative ideas you can do with your kids. No. Yes, green. Oh, good job. Sam, here you are. Mixing colors. Want to make green color.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, stop. Green color. Wow. They can even use their fingers to paint on the wall. Then we should also teach them how to clean up. That can turn into a game itself. Let the kids help by giving them a bottle of water and a little broom to wipe off their painting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Okay, go.
Hello everybody. It's Muddy Day.
Yes, go.
It's Muddy Day.
We have magic.
We have money.
Baking soda. Okay, it's enough. Color. Vinegar. Woo.
Muddy
Ooh. Baking soda. Okay. Color. What color is it? Good. One, two, three. Wow.
It's Muddy Day.
Yes. go. It's a wonderful activity that helps them unplug from screens and keeps them happily engaged for hours.
Magic normally.
They really love this activity, and no matter how many times they do it, they always get super excited. Magic day. They really like this magic, 100 times even. Hulk, do you want to play? Hulk?
Yes, please. So hot. Good day. Magic chair. Go.
Thank you for your watching. If you like these kind of activities, please stay with us. Oops.
Bye.
Ready, set, go. Wow. Thank you for your watching. If you like these kind of activities, please stay with us.